Hello friends, welcome to Library Facts. Today we are going to talk about research design, one of the most critical aspects of any research project. Research design is the blueprint that guides a researcher through the process of conducting their study successfully. It provides a structure that outlines how various components of the research will be integrated and executed. Simply put, research design is the plan that helps you decide how to collect data, analyze it, and ultimately reach a conclusion. Research designs are primarily categorized into three types. 1. Descriptive research design. This design is used to describe a subject or problem in detail. For example, if you are studying the library usage habits of a specific community, this design would be appropriate. 2. Correlational research design. This design examines the relationships between two or more variables. For instance, the relationship between the availability of internet in libraries and the academic performance of students. 3. Experimental research design. This design involves controlled experiments to test a hypothesis. For example, whether creating a specific study environment in a library improves students' concentration. Now let's discuss the key elements of a research design. 1. Research problem. First and foremost, you need to clearly understand the problem you want to solve. 2. Hypothesis. Next, you should formulate an initial assumption or hypothesis about the expected outcomes of your research. 3. Data collection methods. Decide how you will collect your data, through surveys, interviews, observations, or another method. 4. Sampling. Determine the group from which you will collect data. This group should represent your research population. 5. Data analysis. After collecting the data, plan how you will analyze it. 6. Ethical considerations. It is crucial to consider ethical aspects in any research, such as maintaining participants' confidentiality and respecting their rights. Let's make this clearer with an example. Suppose you are researching the impact of digital library usage on student performance. 1. Research problem. Does the use of digital libraries affect students' academic performance? 2. Hypothesis. Students who use digital libraries perform better academically. 3. Data collection methods. Online surveys and interviews. 4. Sampling. Select students from various universities. 5. Data analysis. Analyze the data using software like SPSS. 6. Ethical considerations. Ensure the privacy of all participating students is maintained. Planning your research design is crucial to the success of any research project. It not only provides structure to the research, but also keeps the researcher on the right path throughout the study. A well-constructed research design leads to more accurate and reliable research outcomes. So friends, that's all for today's episode, where we explored the vital concept of research design. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, do let us know in the comments. If you found useful video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Library Facts, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you.